Hi everyone! Today we're creating a beautiful Islamic resin art lamp. Here are all the materials we'll need: a mold, clear resin, mica powders, brushes, mixing cups, and a digital scale. Here is the beautiful embossed Kaaba and Mosque designs ready to be colored. Let's start with the Kaaba. I'm using black mica for Kaaba, and for the main structure, golden mica, and light brown for the stone blocks. Now it's time to adding deep emerald green to the dome of Masjid an-Nabawi, off-white to the minarets, and touches of gold to the architectural details. Next, I'm filling all the remaining space with sky blue mica. I want the entire background covered with no empty areas around our beautiful designs. To make the background more magical, I'm adding white mica in soft cloud-like shapes over the blue sky. Now I'll gently turn the mold over and fall away the excess mica powder. Now let's prepare our clear resin. I'm measuring the resin and hardener carefully on the digital scale, then mixing them slowly until the resin is perfectly clear and smooth. Now I'm slowly pouring clear resin over the entire mold, making sure every part is completely covered. Now I'm gently removing the visible bubbles so we can achieve a smooth, crystal clear finish lamp. Now it's time to let our resin cure. I'll leave it until it becomes completely hard and crystal clear. After 24 hours, our resin is fully cured. Let's carefully peel away the silicone mold and reveal our finished frame. Wow! Here it is! A beautiful Islamic resin art frame with rich colors, soft clouds, and a crystal clear glass-like finish. At this stage, you can simply place it on your table as a beautiful showpiece. For a lamp, use an easily available wooden LED lamp base, place the resin frame on top, and switch it on. Your beautiful Islamic resin lamp for the console is ready. Thanks for watching.